lock and load, mercenaries.
Oh, gee, what is that he's riding on? Could it be?
My motorcycle. Be jealous. Don't stop. Yeah.
Don't stop.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
This is gold.
Stop now. I want to stop. I think I'm putting the gas on. Oh my god. You know how special I feel right now?
Pretty darn special.
So special that everybody in the store is giving me a dirty look.
Where did they go, those?
Finally. I'm switching gears.
That's Daniel in the back. And there's Victoria's reaction to her boyfriend being inside the bus. Come in the bus.
I'm a puppy dog. No.
How does this work?
I cannot fit.
Gee, tell me more about your butt, Daniel. I care so much.
Really bad. Switching gears.
You're lucky it's going 2 miles an hour.
We're going in a high. Watch out for the space moose. We're not trying to embarrass you. We're having fun. Yeah. Don't look at me like that. Voice activate. Yeah. What's wrong? Sit. Wrong. Wrong. Voice will not act.
Oh no, his voice won't activate.
Let me out.
I can't get out.
No, we gotta go on that one. We gotta go on the fire truck. Fire truck right now, man.
I belong walking disaster, the son of all bastards. You regret you made me.
No! Here we go. Oh my god. Sorry.
Hey Jen, isn't this like your fire truck toy that you bought that was really neat that you spent $20?
I didn't buy a fire truck toy.
Here, Hawaii.
That's great.
Oh, that's cheap.
Oh jeez. Yeah. Sharp left. I'm still. We're 16.
There's his red ring of death.
Yeah, I have skills. Check it out, everybody.
No hands. Oh, stay back front.
Push him off.
Sharp turn. Sharp turn. No, not ready.
Ah.